Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary, one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and today we're diving into a word that's both common and crucial for effective communication: concern. What does it mean to be concerned? Well, concern, as a B2 level verb, primarily means to affect or worry someone. It suggests a feeling of anxiety or unease about something. It can also mean to be relevant or important to someone. In simpler terms, it's about something mattering to you, either because it directly impacts you or because you care about its outcome. Now, let's explore some synonyms for concern. A close synonym is worry. For example, instead of saying the news about the economy concerns me, you could say the news about the economy worries me. Another useful synonym is trouble. You might say his lack of attendance troubles his teacher. We can also use the word affect, as in, the new regulations affect small businesses greatly. Yet another synonym is bother. For instance, does it bother you that he's late? Similarly, consider distress. You could say the images of the disaster distress many people. Now, let's flip the coin and look at antonyms, words that have the opposite meaning of concern. One antonym is reassure. While concern suggests anxiety, reassure means to alleviate that anxiety. For example, his doctor reassured him that his condition was not serious. Another antonym is calm, as in, the good news calmed their fears. Another antonym is comfort. You could say the warm fire comforted the travelers. We also have the word ignore. While concern implies paying attention and caring, ignore means to disregard. As in, he chose to ignore the warnings. Another antonym is disregard. She disregarded the risks and continued her journey. Now, let's move on to how concern is used in everyday life. You'll often hear it in expressions of worry or sympathy. For instance, I'm concerned about your health is a common way to express worry. You might also say, that's a matter of concern for all of us, meaning it's an issue we should all be paying attention to. We use concern frequently when discussing problems or issues we need to address. For example, a parent might say, my main concern is my child's safety. Let's look at some more specific usage examples in sentences and phrases. Her parents expressed their concern for her safety when she decided to travel alone. The environmental group raised concerns about the proposed construction project. The doctor wanted to know if he had any concerns about the medication. It is a concern that the company is losing money. He voiced his concern over the rising crime rate in the city. The report concerned itself with the effects of climate change. Please don't concern yourself with the details. I'll handle everything. The government is deeply concerned about the unemployment rate. The increasing number of accidents on this road is a cause for concern. She showed genuine concern for the welfare of the animals. The safety regulations concern all employees of the factory. His lack of sleep is starting to concern me. There is growing concern among scientists about the melting polar ice caps. I appreciate your concern. He dismissed her concerns as unimportant. We often hear about areas of concern when talking about things that need improvement or attention. For instance, low test scores in mathematics are an area of concern for the school district. It's also common to use concern as a noun. He felt a deep sense of concern for the victims of the earthquake. She listened with concern to his story. The company's primary concern is customer satisfaction. So, to summarize, concern primarily means to affect or worry someone, expressing anxiety or relevance. We explored synonyms like worry, trouble, affect, bother, and distress, and antonyms like reassure, calm, comfort, ignore, and disregard. We also saw how concern is woven into our everyday conversations and phrases. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the word concern. I hope you found it insightful. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Hello Word and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show and expand their English vocabulary. As a final challenge, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word concern and share it in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you come up with. I'll see you in the next episode.